Nihilism is more than the philosophy of nothingness or meaninglessness. Any discussion on nihilism should incorporate a clear distinction between the various forms and references that have been applied to the term, and as the idea has evolved over the years. Moral nihilism, also known as ethical nihilism, presupposes that there is no morality whatsoever. Therefore, no action is preferable to another. For example, a moral nihilist would say that killing someone for whatever reason is neither wrong nor right, because morality doesn't exist to begin with. It's quite different from moral relativism. For moral nihilism, look no further than 2019's Joker. It's that moment when Arthur accepts that what he does doesn't matter anyway.
Where are you from?
I live right here in the city with my mother. She always tells me to smile and put on a happy face. She says I was put here to spread joy and laughter.
He's been lied to his entire life. His delusions of grandeur and or happiness are just that, delusions.
My entire fucking life. Is it just me? Or is it getting crazier out there?
How does it feel to have to come here? Does it help to have someone to talk to?
I think I felt better when I was locked up in the hospital.
And have you thought more about why you were locked up?
You don't listen, do you? You just ask the same questions every week. How's your job? Are you having any negative thoughts? All I have are negative thoughts. But you don't listen anyway.
For society is poised for an upper hill frontier. Why should right and wrong matter when one has nothing left to lose?
When I was a little boy and told people I was going to be a comedian, everyone laughed at me. Well, no one's laughing now.
You can say that again, pal.
When everything has been taken, this is Arthur's plight. His life is miserable and he's been pushed to an edge of madness. The madness that would eventually birth the Joker.
Our less fortunate residents are taking the side of the killer.
All of you, the system that knows so much, have you seen what it's like out there? Everybody just yells, screams at each other. Nobody's civil anymore. Nobody thinks what it's like to be the other guy. You think men like Thomas Wayne ever think what it's like to be someone like me? To be somebody but themselves? They don't. They think that we'll just sit there and take it like good little boys, that we won't werewolf and go wild.
You finished?
How about another joke, Murray?
I think we've had enough of your jokes.
What do you get
I don't think so.
when you cross a mentally ill loner with a society that abandons him and treats him like trash?
Call the police.
Get what you fucking deserve!